right in the middle of the coronavirus pandemic. We are on our way from Sacramento to San Francisco. We are going to pick up a friend who is worried about getting stranded in the city.
Zach is one of my lifelong friends. I've known him since elementary school, and he was texting me yesterday because he was hearing rumors that there was potentially going to be a big quarantine, and he did not want to be stuck in San Francisco when the big Q happens, as he put it.
So far, there hasn't been too much traffic into the city, but we just got word that everyone inside San Francisco, 6 counties across the Bay Area, have been told to shelter in place as of 1 p.m. today.
I heard some pretty credible rumors that there was a shutdown coming, and of course, pizzas. So I've got all of my electronics so I can work and I can entertain myself. I've got a couple of dozen eggs, some bacon, several pizzas, general food stuff. There is a sense of hysteria. It's hard to ignore the tenseness. It's kind of panicky. And I don't know if it's just me or if it's a widespread thing, but I'll tell you what, I feel it.
When do you think will be the next time you come here?
Hopefully soon. But I don't know.
So why are you leaving?
I'm leaving because honestly, I don't know if I'm prepared to do this whole thing by myself. You know, the idea of being somewhere that's much less likely to be, contained tightly is attractive to me. And I figure if something bad happens, or if everything's cool, I can just go. I can go back. It's no big deal, but it could be a big deal if I was there and stuck there, and maybe I had to go see my mom, something happened with her. So it's really just about the ability to leave. There's so much close contact with people in everyday life in San Francisco because you probably don't own a car because you don't need to, because you're gonna ride the bus or the BART or the Muni. And if you do that, there's a good chance that you're going to make contact with God knows how many people. It gets extremely tight. I'm glad they're shutting things down because if it hasn't already spread rapidly and we don't even know, I would imagine that it would here.
Things started changing really quickly on our drive out of the Bay Area. We stopped at In-N-Out and they were only allowing drive-through and takeout customers. Their dining room was closed. And as we were passing Six Flags in Vallejo, we noticed the amusement park was at a complete standstill. The park was closed, the rides were stopped, really eerie.
I don't want anyone to be sick. I wish everyone wasn't sick. I wish everything was just back to the way it was. But this is where we are, and we have mo.mint.media, and I want to show. This is what I've always wanted to do. Why I became a photographer. I just wanted to be out and tell a story. Be safe. We're still being safe. We have a shelter in our van. So, and now we're gonna go back to West Sacramento to quarantine.